Here is the modified text. Tired of playing on that old, uneven pool table that ruins your perfect shots? Well, you're in luck! After testing countless models, we've found the top 5 best pool tables for your home in 2024. Whether you're a casual player or a serious competitor, these tables offer the best in quality, durability, and style. So if you're ready to upgrade your game room and impress your friends, stay tuned. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Alright, let's dive into the GoSports portable billiards table. This mid-sized table is a real gem for anyone looking to bring the fun of billiards into their home without needing a dedicated game room. Its compact and portable design stands out. If you've ever struggled with finding space for a full-size table, this one solves that problem beautifully. You can easily store it away when not in use. Thanks to its foldable legs, the heavy-duty steel frame is another big plus. It provides the stability and durability you need for a competitive game. No one likes a wobbly table, right? And the premium felt surface ensures smooth gameplay, making your shots glide effortlessly. However, be mindful that the felt can be prone to damage and scratches, so a bit of extra care is needed. Now, let's talk about the complete set that comes with it. You get 15 regulation balls, a cue ball, a ball rack, 2 57-inch cue sticks, 2 chalks, and a felt brush. The cue sticks are a bit lightweight, which might not satisfy serious players, but for casual play, they do the job just fine. Setting up the table is a breeze. The instant setup feature with foldable legs means you can go from box to play in minutes. However, some users have reported issues with the table's levelness and stability. A bit of tweaking might be required to get it perfectly balanced. Considering its price, the quality you get is impressive. It's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on the essentials. The table is perfect for game rooms, apartments, or even offices. Just make sure you have a room size of at least 13 feet by 16 feet to accommodate it comfortably. Overall, the GoSports portable billiards table is a fantastic choice for casual players and those looking for a compact, easy-to-store option. It offers great value for the price, despite a few minor drawbacks. If you're looking to add some fun to your home without breaking the bank, this table is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. Alright, let's jump into the American Legend 84-inch billiard table. This table is a true treasure for anyone wanting to add some classic, rustic flair to their game room. The first thing that grabbed my attention was the distinctive K-shaped leg design. It not only boosts the table's stability, but also gives it a unique appearance that really stands out. Now, let's discuss the playing surface. At 84 inches in length, it provides ample space for some serious gameplay. The royal blue polyester cloth is a nice touch. However, there's a concern. Some users have noted that the felt wears out faster than expected. So if you plan on using it frequently, keep an eye on that. One of the highlight features is the shims included for uneven floors. This is a game changer if your game room isn't perfectly level, ensuring a fair game every time. Plus, the table comes with all the essential accessories: cue balls, cue sticks, a ball rack, and even blue chalk. It's pretty much ready to go right out of the box. The plastic pockets can be a bit annoying as they sometimes cause the balls to spin around and come back into play. Also, the cue sticks are on the lighter side, which might not be ideal for advanced players. And there's an aspect you can't ignore: the weight. This table is very heavy, so you'll definitely need at least 3 people to help with assembly and transportation. Speaking of assembly, it's surprisingly easy and can be done in less than 2 hours, even if you're doing it solo. In terms of value for money, this table is hard to beat. It's affordable and offers a lot of features that you'd expect from more expensive models. Most users are quite pleased with their purchase, praising the table's ease of assembly and overall value. However, there have been some reports of damaged parts upon delivery, so it's worth checking everything carefully when it arrives. In summary, the American Legend 84-inch billiard table is a great option for beginners and recreational players. It brings a touch of rustic elegance to any room and offers a large playing surface for competitive gameplay. Just be mindful of the felt quality and the plastic pockets, and you'll have a blast with this table. Check out the link in the description to see more details and pricing. The GoSports 7 feet pool table is a fantastic addition for anyone wanting to inject some recreational excitement into their home or office. What immediately catches the eye is its rustic brown oak veneer finish combined with a sleek black felt top. This pairing gives it a high-end, modern appearance that can enhance any game room. One of the standout standout features of this table is its robust construction. Weighing over 200 pounds, it feels incredibly solid and stable, which is essential for a good game of pool. The ultra-stable legs and surface ensure you get a tournament-quality experience right at home. Additionally, the metal corners and thick felt are designed to prevent blemishes, keeping it looking new for longer. Now, let's discuss the ease of assembly. The pre-assembled tabletop and included hardware make setting it up a breeze. However, some users have reported minor damage or defects upon delivery, which can be a bit frustrating. But once it's set up, the smooth and consistent ball roll is a joy to play on. The table comes with all the necessary accessories: 2 cue sticks, 15 regulation pool balls, a cue ball, a ball rack, a felt brush, and chalk. This means you can start playing right away without needing to purchase anything extra. It's perfect for smaller rooms or game rooms. With a recommended room size of 13 feet by 16 feet, some users have mentioned issues with the felt or wood finish, and there are no instructions included for assembly, which can be a bit of a hassle. Despite these minor drawbacks, the GoSports 7 feet pool table offers excellent value for its price. It's affordable compared to higher-end pool tables and provides a sturdy, well-constructed option for recreational players. If you're looking for a pool table that combines quality, design, and ease of use, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. Alright, let's delve into the portable folding billiards table by Soozier. If you've ever had trouble fitting a full-sized pool table into your space, this compact and portable model might be just what you need. It's ideal for smaller living spaces, and its foldable design makes storage and transport a breeze. Truly a game changer. One standout feature is the authentic green felt and bumper cushions, which give it a professional look and feel. It comes with everything you need to start playing immediately: a complete set of balls, a rack, 2 pool cues, chalk, and 6 ball pockets. This is fantastic because you don't need to buy extra accessories. However, some users have reported issues with the table's flatness and screw tightness. This can be a bit frustrating, especially if you're aiming for a perfectly level playing surface. But the adjustable foot pads do help in leveling the table, which is a nice touch. The balls are smaller than standard, measuring 1.5 inches in diameter, and the cues are quite light. This might not be ideal for advanced players accustomed to regulation-sized equipment, but for casual play, especially with kids, it's more than adequate. And there's an aspect you can't overlook: the instructions might not be included, making assembly a bit tricky. Overall, considering its price and the fun it brings to both kids and adults, the Soozier portable folding billiards table offers great value. It's an affordable way to enjoy a game of pool without needing a dedicated game room. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-store option that still provides an authentic playing experience, this table is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. Alright, let's jump into the green mini pool table, measuring 48 inches. This compact marvel is ideal for those tight on space but still craving a good game of pool. The small size is a game changer. At 47 inches long, 24 inches wide, and just under 27 inches high, it fits perfectly in small game rooms, family areas, or even garages. Plus, its detachable design allows for easy storage when not in use, addressing space limitations. One of the standout features is that it includes a full set of billiards gear. You get 16 pool balls, 2 cues, a black triangle rack, and a brush. This is amazing because you don't need to purchase anything extra to start playing. The green nylon cloth gives it that classic game room vibe, adding a touch of authenticity. However, some users have reported receiving incomplete or damaged packages, which can be quite frustrating. Also, the table might not be as sturdy as one would hope, especially if you plan on heavy use or rough play. The balls are on the smaller side, which can make them a bit tricky to hit accurately. On the bright side, the assembly is simple and doesn't require much effort, which is always a plus. And let's not forget, it's quite affordable, making it a great option for families and kids who are just getting into the game. It's a fun way to introduce pool to the younger ones without breaking the bank. In terms of quality, you get what you pay for. The high-quality MDF material ensures some level of stability and durability, but don't expect it to withstand the same wear and tear as a full-sized professional table. Overall, the green mini pool table 48 inches offers a lot of fun in a compact, easy-to-store package. It's perfect for casual play and introducing kids to the game. Just keep in mind its limitations regarding sturdiness and ball size. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, space-saving option, this might just be the table for you. Check out the link in the description to see more details.